Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Hotel Pueblo Amigo Plaza Casino in Tijuana, Mexico. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now, on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. Now, of course, this is the evacuation plan map. Now, to my right, your closet. You have a safe. Extra blankets. You have the iron and ironing board. Now behind me is the bathroom. Have a good sized mirror. Peace. Okay, now your complimentary shower cap, shoe polisher. I guess this is a thing in Mexico where they give you a complimentary shoe polisher. You have your hand towel, and I'm guessing this is a face towel or a wash rag. So I was washing my hand, and I guess they have a problem with clogging in this specific sink. Water and your hair dryer. Tissue. Okay. Ample lighting. Ample towels, bath towels. You have your toilet bowl here. And this is what I like right here. Your standalone shower. With your complimentary soap. There you go. Basic shower head. Towel. It seems like it's marble, but I doubt it. Maybe. All right. So you have your regular coffee and decaf. So when we arrived, they gave us a complimentary bottle of water like this. Peace. Now, your room. You have your where you lay your stuff at to dry, I guess. TV. Ample drawers. Plenty of drawer space. And you have a seat right here, a chair. And you have your artwork right there. A nightstand in the middle. With a lamp. I wonder what this do. Nothing. Okay. And let's see. So that's your view. Can't really see anything because it's dark. And the window, it's a bit dusty. All right. But I like the headrest. Seems like leather or pleather. Now you have carpeted floors. Carpeted floors throughout except the bathroom. And you have your digital thermostat. And I think this is doorbell. So the bedroom again. And another angle from this side with 4 pillows each bed. It's not foam, but the sheets smells clean. Ugh. My final thoughts. It's a bit outdated as far as the bathroom, closet, and just the room itself, but it's clean. Sheets, you could smell it, it's fresh. Um, I don't smell any mildew or any type of, nothing. Now, when we put it to the attention about the sink being clogged right away, they called maintenance, and maintenance came to check it out. So he fixed it and no more clogging. So that was great. Now, the location is the border crossing from San Ysidros, San Diego. Once you cross, we took a Uber, and the Uber took about 5 minutes to get to the hotel here. There's a doorman that will open the door for you. There's 2 staff in the front desk, and they both greeted us. They both gave us 2 complimentary bottled water. Once we checked in, by the way, the check-in was a breeze. We signed 1 paper, actually 2 papers, and show them our IDs, and that's it. We were escorted by one of the staff member. I forgot his name, but he was very professional and he's good. The front desk, good, and the doorman, good. So at the moment, there's certain areas here that's being renovated. So it might seem a little dusty at a certain spots, but the room, as far as the room, I like it. But the location from the border crossing, it's close by, and friendly staff. So yeah, that's my final thoughts. Now, if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my brand, my clothing brand at www.dosos.clothing. Hello World Crewneck. We still have these. Come through. Check it out. Hey, you might see something you like. Right now, we're in Tijuana. You thinking, hey, it's sunny, it's hot. Nope. It got a little cooler. I put it on. It warmed me up. Hey, you put one of these, it might warm you up too. Who knows? But check it out at www.dosos.clothing. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.